Hi again. Um, I made my cupcakes and it was really good. And they smell really good. I really want to eat one, but I have to wait. Simon's been really good. He was really good at watching me. It was fun. So if you want to see the cupcakes, Maddie, don't peek. Well, actually, there's nothing. Whoops. Nothing really to see right now. Uh, oh, cupcakes. There. Here they are. They smell like God, basically. This is the mess I have to clean up. That's my kitchen in the background. My dining room. Yeah, this is my kitchen. My house. Alright. I wonder if there's stars outside. Hold on. Oh, it's too cloudy. Otherwise I would show you the stars, but I'm sorry. There are a lot of stars. I'm gonna eat dinner. I love you guys. And I'm sorry. This is kind of boring, but this has been my evening with Simon. Simon. Alright. Say goodbye. Alright. Bye.